All right, I'm going to demo figure 1 for drafting the sloper. Here I go. I'm, again, doing this in CLO, but we're following instructions from your book. So the instructions from your book really are intending you to do this step by step by hand. But we're doing it in CLO, which is a little bit different. And so they want us to start by drawing the length, just a long line, however long we want. And then they kind of go in to draw a rectangle box on the left of that line and then another rectangle box on the right of that line. I think it might be easier. I could do two separate, I guess I should do two separate rectangles because it doesn't even matter. It could be one rectangle. And then I'll be using the trace tool at the end anyways. I don't know. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do this time, there's more than one way to do it. So you don't have to follow me step by step. You can really do it however you think is best. So I think I'm going to try to draw just one rectangle for the back and then another rectangle for the front. So a little bit different than what I tried earlier if you saw that video. Okay, so I'm zooming in here. Okay, so skirt length can be whatever we want. Great, so that's how long the box is going to be. But our center front is A to C. Oh, that's okay. We'll draw the A to C line after we have our rectangle because that's a line that kind of goes in the middle. So I'm going to jump to A to D, which is our back hip arc. So here's our rectangle tool. I'm just going to click one time with the left mouse. And you know what? To me, it was like more intuitive to right click because when you right click, there's always a little info box that pops up, but this time you left click just once. So, because sometimes if you click and drag with the left mouse and you right click, it pops up, so it kind of took me a minute to figure this one out. So just one left click. How wide do I want my box? I want my box as wide as A to D. So for me, my measurement I had was 11/5/8, but you have to add a ½ inch for ease. So my total came out to 12 1/8. Now the height they said however long you want. I'm just going to do 20 inches. Why not? Okay. Now I'm going to move this guy. Okay, so this is my back. No, A to D, yeah, back. And it's weird. Should I do this? This is going to be the center front to the back, and this is the side seam. I think for now I'm just going to move this guy over here because the book has you draft the back and the front at the same time. And so it has the back on the left and the front on the right. So I'm just going to move my pattern pieces to help me remember that. Okay, so I did figure out an annotation tool because we do need to mark these measurements because it's really confusing not having them. So if you go up to 2D pattern under annotation, there's pattern annotation, and you can also edit it, and I bet you that's hidden here somewhere. I don't know which tool or where. It's probably hidden on this toolbar. But until I figure that out, I'm just going to go to pattern annotation, and I'm just going to write the letter A. Okay. There it is. And then I'm going to go back to it. Okay. Oh, make sure it says show in annotations as well. Okay, maybe edit, and I can move it a little closer there. Zoom in, you can probably make it bigger or smaller. Okay, pattern, let's go over here and type in D. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm going to go back to that bullet point I skipped, A to C, which is our center front hip depth, because I'm just going to click this line, right click it, and offset as an internal line. And it looks like it just needs to be whatever your measurement for number 25 was. Mine was 7.75. Okay, there we go. And then right here, I'm going to write the letter C. Okay. Okay, and then I guess I could put E over here. Okay. And then This down here would be B. And over here would be F. Okay. That's it for figure 1 for the skirt back. I do still need to do the skirt front though in figure 1. So that I guess what I need is another rectangle. And it's gonna be right next to this. So A to H for me is 9 3/8 plus 1/2 inch equals, for me, 9 7/8. Okay, so what is 7/8? So 9.875. Okay. And then the height, I'll just say 20 inches again. Okay. So let's see if I can line it up there. It's fine. And then I guess I should maybe get this line is supposed to go all the way across. Let's see if, oh, no, that's not good. Let's see if I zoom in. I want this little point. I guess I could lock it. Lock. I right-clicked it. And you can't really see it, so because it's underneath it. So I guess that was pointless. I just unlocked it, I hope. Did I unlock you? Yeah. Okay, so I guess I'll just do the same thing. Right-click, offset is internal, 7.75. Okay, and then I should put the letter I over here. And an H up here. And I guess a J down here. Cool. Okay, good. Now I think I am done with figure 1. This is my center front, center back, and they share a side seam for now.